Time makes sense in small pieces, but huge stretches are almost impossible to wrap your head around.
Starting small, time is measured in minutes, hours, and days. Today, you likely spent time sleeping, working, and enjoying some coffee. Over a week, habits like watching TV become noticeable. Please watch less TV. The year 2013 saw Hitler's bodyguard die at 96, and Edward Snowden reveal the NSA scandal.
The 21st century, still young, was shaped by the 9/11 attacks, which led to the Third Iraq War.
Facebook and smartphones quickly took over our lives, but we're just getting started. Let's back up further.
The 20th century experienced two devastating world wars, the first atomic bomb and the Cold War.
The moon landing and the rise of the internet marked the beginning of the information age.
Misao Okawa, born in 1898, lived through most of the 20th century. Her birth was closer to the era of a prominent 19th century leader than today. The last 500 years brought enormous changes. Industrialization, fueled by the steam engine, transformed society. New ideologies like communism emerged. Farmers transitioned to factory workers, and inventions like the car changed daily life.
The theory of evolution reshaped our understanding of humanity and the world, all within a few hundred years.
The 15th century, ending the Middle Ages, saw Columbus discover America and the fall of Constantinople. Medieval conflicts over territory and religion were overshadowed by the Black Plague, which killed 1/3 of Europeans.
In the Common Era, Christianity and Islam emerged. Our current century is tiny, with 2013 barely visible.
This is recorded human history, marked by the pyramids, constructed 4,500 years ago.
The Roman Empire peaked 2,000 years ago. To them, the pyramids were as ancient as Romans are to us.
History began with writing, but before that, the agricultural revolution occurred about 12,000 years ago. Farming led to cities and larger communities, marking the start of humanity's dominance on Earth.
90,000 years ago, Neanderthals and humans coexisted in Europe. Fun fact: 80,000 years is roughly the time a modern spacecraft needs to reach the nearest star. Homo sapiens, modern humans, evolved 200,000 years ago. In this vast timeline, what we call AD seems tiny. 6 million years ago, our ancestors and modern chimpanzees last shared a common ancestor. For 2.75 million years, stone tools were all the rage during the Stone Age.
65 million years ago, an asteroid impact caused an enormous explosion, ending the age of dinosaurs and paving the way for mammals. Dinosaurs ruled Earth for over 165 million years. A T-Rex lived closer in time to a contemporary person than to a Stegosaurus.
Animal life on Earth began 600 million years ago, with simple early animals.
Early animals diversified into fish, then insects, reptiles, and finally mammals around 200 million years ago.
Life itself began much earlier, approximately 3.6 billion years ago.
For 2.4 billion years, life was tiny, single-celled microbes. Then, multicellular life emerged.
For 3 billion years, all life on Earth was invisible to the naked eye, slowly evolving. It's hard to grasp how single-celled organisms developed into complex life forms like fish. The answer is time. 4.6 billion years ago, our sun was born from the remnants of a giant cosmic explosion.
60 million years after the sun's birth, Earth formed from cosmic dust and gas.
Frequent bombardment by comets and asteroids created Earth's oceans and formed our moon.
In the grand scope of the universe, our solar system is relatively new.
The universe was born 13.75 billion years ago. Our galaxy formed 600 million years later.
What was before the Big Bang? The true answer involves a singularity, a point we don't yet fully understand.
We may never know what existed before the Big Bang, but we've given the past some color. In about 1 billion years, the sun will become so hot that life on Earth will be impossible.
4 billion years later, the sun will die, marking the ultimate end of our solar system.
A few trillion years from now, star production will cease across the universe.
Eventually, the very last star in the universe will die out.
The universe will then turn dark, inhabited only by black holes in its vast emptiness.
After the last black hole evaporates, the universe will reach its final stage, heat death. Nothing changes anymore. You might be feeling a bit strange right now, and that's perfectly natural. We feel it too. The good news is, all these events are incredibly far away in time. The only time that truly matters is now. That special person you like? Ask them out. Time is precious. Make every moment count.
What do you think about the end of the universe? Tell us in the comments.